All right, so here is this 1998 or 1999 Emerson premium ceiling fan and what I believe is the old brick finish with pine blades. And I just did a video of this thing with 4 blades, so I decided to put the 5th on and show you how it was as I got it. So yeah, I kind of did all the talking about it in the other video, but in case you missed it, I'll give you a quick recap. This fan came to me at the PA meet from another collector, and I got a pretty good price on it, and I'm super happy with it. And yeah, so this is my first Emerson ceiling fan. Give you a close-up look. That's pretty much what this finish looks like. The pole chain was replaced, but who gives a fuck? It's missing a screw there, but again, who gives a fuck? It's got everything else. And yeah, so we'll start it on low. Try not to trip over shit here. Yeah, really nice low speed. I like the way this looks with 5 blades a little bit better than 4. But yeah, this is a nice aesthetic low. Take it to medium. Yeah, this chain is slightly finicky, so you gotta be sure that you really pull it. Now you got a super detailed look at the finish. This medium is honestly not too different from low. But I think it is a little bit more useful than the low. This thing keeps fucking up. You know, maybe it's better to just get my fucking fat face in the video. All right, you've seen it. We're gonna take it to high. Yeah, a little bit of harmonics. But this thing is hauling ass on high. That's really where this fan shines, is high and low. It's got a slight wobble. Nothing too bad. I don't know why. Fuck. I look at it from this way though, and the fan looks a little bit crooked. So I'm gonna try to sneak underneath and fix that. Let's see. Fix it a little bit. I don't know what the fuck the deal with that thing is. Like, it doesn't stay straight, but hey, it doesn't wobble. So that's okay too. And it hauls ass, which is also a plus. Alright, now we'll take the spin down. Yeah, you have to pull this thing straight out. Let's see. Is it straight? No, I put it the other way. I don't know what the deal is. Who gives a fuck? Like, really, who gives a fuck? You wouldn't even notice if you don't look at it. And sorry if you don't like the cursing, I don't really care. There's a certain fan collector whose mom would probably come yelling at me if she heard this, but again, I don't give a fuck. Solid fan though. I'm super happy with it. Really glad I was able to pick this up. And there you fucking have it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you fuckers in the next one.